Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Today, we're going to talk about how you can earn money using new AI tools and software without spending a single penny. That's right, it's all completely free. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash or a working professional interested in a side hustle, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate text, answer questions, help with content creation, and more. It's a versatile tool for freelancers, content creators, and anyone looking to automate tasks. There's a free version of ChatGPT that you can use with some limitations, but still powerful enough to help you with content generation, writing emails, brainstorming ideas, and more. Ways to earn content writing. Offer article or blog post writing services. Many people and businesses need content but don't have the time or skills to write it. Social media management. You can use ChatGPT to generate social media captions, posts, and even plan out a content calendar for businesses or individuals. Tutoring. You can use ChatGPT as a study aid for tutoring others. It can explain complex topics or help with language learning. Canva is an online design platform that uses AI to help create graphics, posters, social media posts, presentations, and more. The free version is rich in features and gives you access to a vast library of templates. Ways to earn freelance graphic design. Offer services to create logos, posters, social media graphics, and even video editing using Canva's intuitive platform. Social media templates. Create and sell custom social media templates. Many businesses need branded templates for their Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Print-on-demand designs. Create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, and sell them on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Lumen 5 uses AI to help create videos from text-based content, such as articles or blog posts. You input your text and the AI generates a video with relevant visuals, music, and voiceovers. Lumen 5 offers a free plan with limited features like a watermark on videos. Ways to earn video content creation for businesses. Offer video editing services using Lumen 5 to businesses that need social media videos, YouTube content, or promotional videos. YouTube content creation. If you have a blog or articles, you can turn them into videos and monetize your YouTube channel with ads or affiliate links. Copy.ai is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help create high-quality copy for websites, landing pages, product descriptions, emails, and more. Copy.ai offers a free trial with a limited number of credits per month. Ways to earn freelance copywriting. Offer copywriting services for websites, product descriptions, emails, and more. Businesses always need fresh content for their marketing materials. Content creation. Use Copy.ai to quickly generate ideas for blog posts or articles, which you can then sell as a content writer on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Runway ML is an AI-powered video editing tool that offers features like background removal, style transfer, and text-to-video. It's designed for creators who want to edit videos quickly and easily without needing advanced skills. Runway ML offers a free version with limited features, such as video length restrictions. Ways to earn freelance video editing. Use Runway ML to offer quick video editing services. You can remove backgrounds, apply filters, and create unique effects that clients will love. YouTube content. Create unique and engaging video content for your YouTube channel or for clients. You can offer video editing as a service to others who need high-quality video production. Pexels and Unsplash provide free, high-quality stock photos and videos that you can use in your content or on freelance projects. Both Pexels and Unsplash are completely free and offer unlimited downloads. Ways to earn stock photography. You can upload your own photos to Pexels or Unsplash and earn money every time someone downloads them. Both platforms allow contributors to earn passive income. Content creation. Use stock photos and videos in your own content creation, like blog posts, social media, and videos, to enhance your products and make your work more attractive. Notion is a productivity app that helps organize your tasks, notes, projects, and more. It's great for personal use, but also excellent for collaborating with clients or working on multiple projects. Notion has a free plan, which includes most of its features for individual users. Ways to earn project management and virtual assistant. Offer services as a virtual assistant or project manager using Notion to help businesses and individuals stay organized and efficient. Notion templates. Create and sell Notion templates for different uses like productivity, planning, or business management. Many people are willing to pay for pre-made templates that save time. Voice.ai allows you to generate realistic AI voiceovers for videos, podcasts, and content creation. You can input text, and the AI will generate a natural-sounding voice in multiple languages and tones. Voice.ai has a free version that lets you generate limited audio clips. Ways to earn voiceover services. Use Voice.ai to offer voiceover services for YouTubers, podcasters, or businesses in need of voice content for videos or presentations. Podcasts. Create a podcast using AI-generated voices or enhance your existing podcast with quality AI voiceovers. AI music generation tools like SoundDraw and Amper Music allow you to create royalty-free music tracks for videos, podcasts, or any other content that requires background music. These platforms typically have free plans that allow you to generate music, but with certain limitations on commercial use. Ways to sell custom music. Offer custom music creation services for YouTubers, content creators, or advertisers who need unique music for their projects. Background music for videos. Create music to be used as background tracks for YouTube videos, social media content, or ads. So there you have it. These are just a few of the amazing AI tools that are available for free and can help you start earning money today. Whether you're into writing, design, video creation, or even music production, there's an AI tool for you. The best part, you don't have to spend any money upfront to get started. Everything I mentioned has a free plan to help you kick off your side hustle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. And let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.